Hi guys, we're from the Hustle 1424, and as I told you before last night, we are going to be building a surprise video, and the surprise is we're building an RC track for RC cars. So we're going to time lapse make it, so this is just a starting project, and we're not going to be able to finish this today, so yeah.
There'll be a couple parts of videos.
Yeah,
Like part 1, part 2, part 3.
there's going to be parts. So, this is our finished project for today. I don't really think you want to see us flatten out dirt. So, yeah. This is part 1. We might do a part 2 later today. Yeah,
Most likely.
most likely. So, yeah. That's all. We are the Hustle 1424.